in half-said words and fading light. Your laugh still hides in certain songs, a love that felt so right, so wrong. We weren't forever, just a flame, but warm enough to know my name. If love was borrowed, I'd still choose every broken part of you. Sulhnu lunglen. A scar you thank in the end. We weren't forever, just a flame, but warm enough to know my name. If love was borrowed, I'd still choose every broken part of you. Sulhnu. If we meet in another life, I'd smile, not ask for more or less. Some hearts are meant to cross once only and leave behind their tenderness. We weren't forever,